Hi, I'm Jora Clokey. Insects can be found almost everywhere you look. All insects are divided into 3 body parts: the head, thorax, and abdomen. All adult insects have 6 legs and 2 antennae. Let's explore the structure, function, and metamorphosis of these fascinating creatures. One of the most interesting characteristics of insects is their ability to blend with their environment. They are experts at camouflage. All insects undergo metamorphosis, or a change of form. There are 3 types of metamorphosis: gradual, incomplete, and complete. Let's start with a look at this process. Metamorphosis comes from the Greek word meta, which means change, and morph, which means form. The first and simplest type of metamorphosis actually involves very little change and is referred to as ametabolous metamorphosis. This type of development is displayed in primitive insects. The change occurs chiefly in size only. In fact, the only way to be sure one of these primitive creatures is an adult is their ability to reproduce. The juvenile is very similar in appearance to the adult. Primitive insects include silverfish, springtails, and bristletails. These insects have an indefinite number of molts, or shedding of the exoskeleton. Incomplete metamorphosis is also referred to as hemimetabolous metamorphosis. The 3 stages of development in hemimetabolous insects are egg, nymph, and adult. Aquatic nymphs are called naiads. The nymphs resemble the adults but do not have functional wings. Their wing pads develop externally. As nymphs develop, the wing pads become more prominent. The last molt results in an adult insect with functioning wings. This insect is sexually mature. Examples of insects with incomplete metamorphosis include mayflies, dragonflies, grasshoppers, walking sticks, mantids, crickets, cockroaches, earwigs, termites, lice, true bugs, aphids, scale, whiteflies, leafhoppers, and thrips. The most dramatic type of body change occurs in insects that undergo complete metamorphosis, also referred to as holometabolous metamorphosis. The 4 stages of holometabolous metamorphosis are egg, larva, pupa, and adult. In the pupal stage, a complete transformation of the immature insect takes place. Most of us are familiar with the life cycle of a butterfly. It starts life as an egg and hatches to a caterpillar, the larval stage. The larvae feed and grow and molt, eventually reaching the pupa stage. In the pupal stage, a complete transformation of the immature insect takes place. An example of this is a butterfly egg hatching to a caterpillar, which enters into its cocoon. Pupation may occur in a silken cocoon, a chrysalis, or some other protective structure. The pupa transforms itself into a winged adult butterfly. Examples of insects that go through holometabolous change include lacewings and antlions, beetles, bees, ants, and wasps, moths and butterflies, flies, and fleas.